Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze the Fed's interest rate decisions in 3rd May. So I am in global interest rate website. You can see Federal Reserve American Central Bank's fund rates in current interest rate in 5% is the current American interest rate. Fed interest rate is 5%. So that's the global interest rates website. So that's the Forex factory is the 3rd May. Tomorrow federal funds rate decision will be released tomorrow. So current previous rate is 5%. Fed forecast to hike interest rate to 25 bps to 5.25. so that's the very volatile economic data. Big news for US dollar tomorrow. So if you are trading US dollar pairs like gold, USD, JPY, Euro, USD, this is the you should forecast update with this Federal Fund Reserve interest rate for get the accurate trade. So I am like to introduce you. I am like to give you a 3 trade solution with the federal funds rates releases with the Fed tomorrow. I like to give you a 3 solution with the 3 trade ideas about gold. So this is the gold chart. This is the huge strong resistance as broken 2 days with big buy candle. So tomorrow I would like to give 3 trade ideas trade to gold with this Federal Fund Reserve Federal Funds interest rate release. So first one is the 25 bps is the forecast Fed. So that is already sentiment to market. Is the actual figure is 5.25%. That 25 bps already hit the market, already sentiment the market, and gold will be going to like this type of is going to 5.25 interest rate will be the actual drop to the below and again to go to the high. That's the 2050 is the first target. That's my first trade idea will be the actual figure 5.25, 25 basis points hike. So next my gold trading idea is the actual Fed's funds rates will be 5.5 to the 50 basis points rate hikes. That is the surprise rates hike from Feds. That will be the unexpected rates hike from Feds. That will be big demand from US dollar with the 5% 5.5 interest rate from the 250 basis points interest rate hike. If that will be good high demand of US dollar, and the gold will be the drop to the below like this. That's the 5.5 interest rate unexpected surprise interest rate from Fed. That gold will be dropped with the demand from US dollar. That's my second trade idea with the Fed's interest rates release. And my third idea is the 5.25 is the forecast. Actual figure will be the 5% previous figure. If Fed get the interest rate hold positions, that will be the negative effect. Sell off US dollar is the big sell off from the US dollar. Hold the interest rate is the big sell off from the US dollar, and the gold will be the get the big demand tomorrow like this. That's my third gold trading idea with the interest rates Fed's releases. 5% will be the interest rate, and rates will be the hold from the Feds. That's the gold getting big demand. So that's my 3 ideas, 3 trading planning to you with the interest rate decisions with Fed's 3rd May. So my Telegram link is below for accurate goals trade signals with the Fed's funds rates release economic big events tomorrow. So thank you very much.